Greetings everybody worldwide, it's your boy CleanCarChris. You don't know, welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, I have a quick tutorial for you guys today, all about how to go about cleaning up and conditioning leather seats. Let's do it. Alright guys, we have these leather seats here. They're pretty well made. I mean, they look okay. They're obviously, a little bit worn. It's a 2016 vehicle. They've been cleaned, I think, a bunch, but they haven't really been conditioned on a regular basis. So they do have some cracks, some fading, stuff like that. But the whole point of this video is to show you guys how you can go about cleaning it, condition it, so it won't get any worse. You know what I'm saying, guys? So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and clean up all the dust and get any of the loose debris off first. So by doing that, you can use an air tool. You guys already know by now, I absolutely love my air tools. So this is the Vortex I'm using today. I'm just showing you guys some styles, right? More of a demonstration type video again. Cool and candid. All right, guys, one style you can do is just blow off with your blow gun. Make sure you hit the creases. That's most important, I would say, guys. So, hit all these creases in here. You can do it like that, guys. Lean this back a bit to get under here. You know what I'm saying? And you can also go about doing the same thing with your vacuum. You can turn it on, use your vacuum, and use your brush and get in the crevices here, right, guys? Let me show you real quick. Lean back the chair, guys. Get under here, right? A lot of crumbs always accumulate under there. All right, you catch a drift, right, guys? You want to just make sure it's pretty much dust-free. Any of the loose debris is all cleaned up. Right, guys? You want to be mindful, though, when you're using your vacuum nozzle, not to rub up too much against the leather. You don't want to scratch it or, damage it. You know what I mean? So once it's dust-free, you want to go ahead and actually apply your product and get to scrubbing. Let me show you what I'll be using today, guys. Actually, you want to pick your right combo, right? Because we're doing a cleaning and a conditioning. I have P&S's Express Interior Cleaner, and I pair it with P&S's Leather Treatment Conditioner Protectant. You know what I'm saying, guys? I love these two as a combination together to clean up seats and condition them, right, guys? We have our applicator pad for our conditioner. We have our infamous Scrub Ninja. And then we have a nice, someone is actually from Chemical, guys. And of course, clean microfiber towel. All right, guys, so we have our express cleaner. So we're gonna spray it directly onto our boar's hair brush. This stuff is just the right, firmness, texture, safe for leather, you know what I mean, guys? Spray on your seat. You can do it in sections if you want, guys. Start on the actual seat itself. And nothing to it, guys. Just want to scrub. Make sure you're getting those creases. Make sure you want to get under this area, this area too, guys. Don't forget. Nice. You can also use your Scrub Ninja too. Just giving you options, guys. I like to use them both. Not both really at the same time. I'm just kind of showing you, like I said, giving you options, but either works fine, I think, guys. So you just want to make sure you do a good job, covering everywhere. Like I said, guys, this is a demonstration video, so you don't know. Giving you guys some tips and tricks. Come on. That should be sufficient. And you know, you use your clean microfiber. Mop up. Of course, inspect your work. Make sure you got everywhere. You know, you can use your brush with a little cleaner. Get in these areas here. Right? Same thing, guys. Like I said, guys, just use enough product that will get the job done. You don't need to overkill it if it doesn't need to. I think I mentioned this before, you know, social media, sometimes people are flooding, you know, with product. I think that's just more to make the videos more visually appealing, guys. You just want a nice foaming action. Nothing too crazy, unless it definitely needs it, you know what I mean? So just make sure you put a little bit of elbow grease. Like I say, you can use the Scrub Ninja, or you can jump back in again if you want. And you can use this if you prefer this style better. Right, guys? Mop up. At the same time, you know, you can use your brush and get in all the crevices, right? There too. All the seams. Wipe up. All right, my people, quick intermission. I'm going to take the time out to big up some of the viewers who comment on the channel and show me love. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So I'm going to take the time out and big up at the Sir 8028. Dropped a Puerto Rican flag. He says, like your educational video. Well done. Mad. Big up yourself. I have another one here from at Louis G8389. Another Canadian sending positivity. I love that. Positive vibration, guys. Mad love from Canada, you know. You don't know. Montreal, Vancouver, Toronto. At Richard Clark 8117 says, nice video, Chris. Canadian flag, Jamaican flag. Do a video like this with a bike and it'll go sell off. Man said do a bike detail. Just might do that, you know. So respect, guys. And I'm gonna give you guys one more shout out from one more viewer at Munarg, Munnarg from Massachusetts. Bomba wicked, mad. Love to see my Caribbean brothers doing well. Blessings, you know. Big up all my Caribbean people. Big up all my viewers. I appreciate you guys. We're gonna keep shouting you out every time. Bless. All right, guys. Another quick tip on these the headrests here. You make sure you want to raise them up a little bit, right? You want to clean them, of course. But make sure you raise them up so you can get under this area here too, right? Nice. And you want to get the sides, of course. Sides of the chair. And of course the back too, right? Guys, the headrest, trust me. Your head is resting against it all the while. Definitely gonna leave body oils and stuff, so. And again, guys, do the complete headrest. Just don't do here. You know what I mean? You got the sides and you have a back, right? So you want to do the complete thing. Same thing with the chair. Make sure you don't leave out the back of the seat, you know, guys, because back here, you know, whoever is sitting in the back seat always tends to, you know, rub up them foot. Kick the back here or scuff it up, you know what I mean? So you definitely want to scrub this area also, clean it up, nice. There we go. I want it nice and foamy. This chair was looking pretty shiny at the beginning before the cleaning. Don't know if you could see it on the camera, but let's go to the front and look at how the front looks. Yeah, definitely has more of a matte look to it. Whoa, check these out, guys. These leather seats. I don't know if you can zoom in and you can see these little, the pores on the leather, the little holes you might see. Sometimes you might see them like blocked up. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Little swabs like these you can get, guys. These are excellent for the little dirt that gets clogged up in these holes. So just giving you guys some options. And go ahead and do something like that. Right? And if they're a little hard to get to, you can just spray the air with a little more cleaner. And then do the same thing. Just be careful, guys. You don't want to damage the vehicle. So, like I said, I have my PNS here, leather treatment conditioner and protectant. This will just be very good, healthy, keep your leather healthy and nice. Give her a good shake. You have your microfiber applicator. Right? You don't need too much, guys. Just put a little bit on and just apply. Same thing, just make sure you get good coverage down in the seam area. This product has such a nice, I don't know how to describe the smell. It just has a nice leathery smell. I don't know, you know, leather has like kind of a distinct kind of smell. This product just kind of enhances that. You know? Yeah, man, guys, thank you for showing lots of love. I'm going to show you guys some love. Also, send me a snippet of yourself detailing a car. Send your name, the name of your detailing business if you have one, and make sure you say car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Send it to me. I'm going to leave all the instructions in the description, and I'll definitely show you some love and feature you on the channel. Bless. All right, guys, once you kind of applied your conditioner, you want to use a clean microfiber towel and buff off the excess. I can already feel how smooth this is, even just wiping. This has a nice feel to it. You know, you can see the cracks in this leather seat. That's from wear and tear. Over there, this if you condition it on a regular and clean it, it just will help. It just won't get worse. You know what I mean, guys? And it will probably help fade out some of these cracks, but I just know for sure it just won't get any worse. All right, so same thing. We just repeat the process, guys, for the rest of the seat. I like to just kind of dab it around. Looks so much better. Can you see the kind of, I wouldn't say, yeah, transformation. I wouldn't say transformation, but can you see the difference in the tone of the leather? Same thing, guys, just get full coverage. Sides, back, front, you know what I mean? You know the vibe. Once you got your full coverage, with your clean microfiber, wipe off the excess. Nice. Like I said, guys, you don't want to overdo it with product. You just want to use just enough to get nice, even coverage. Yo, guys, you can see me sweating in here, putting in work, but down here in SoFlo, it's so hot, man. We've been breaking records already, and it's only May. You guys out there, let me know where you're at, where you're detailing at, or where you live or whatever. Let me know the temperature. If you guys are boiling like I am, let me know. If it's nice and cool, let me know. Regardless, just let me know how the weather is where you're at, all right? Drop me some comments. All right, guys, you don't know, these leather seats have been cleaned and conditioned. They're looking great, guys, looking fantastic. They feel smooth, nice and supple, nice softness to them, as they should be. You don't know, guys. No need to overcomplicate anything here, guys. As you can see, it's a simple process. All it need is a nice combination of a cleaner and a conditioner. Don't know, guys. Respect for tuning in. It's your boy, CleanCarChris, every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bless.